Hi there! I want to show you how you can run an A/B test on the height of your store's mini cart. Right now, my mini cart height is set to 100%, and I want to test the performance when it's not full screen. So I'll go ahead and click Start New A/B. First, I'll name my test. This time, I'll manually place the selector period. Now, I will click the orange dot and choose Edit Element. Next, I'll choose Custom CSS to modify the height property. And in the editor, I'll set the height to 77%. And save it. Then I'll move on to settings, keeping the traffic split as is. For the audience, I want to run this test only for desktop users. And that's it.